All right, so let's see if the audio is okay. Yeah, the audio is fine. The video quality is on point as well. That means that we are ready to start this session. How are y'all doing? I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you guys have a wonderful week so far. And I hope you all had a relaxing day today. And I hope that you didn't trade because yesterday we had the CPI. And as mentioned, it was best for you guys to stay on the sidelines. Hey Adrian, evening brother. How are you? Welcome to the session. I'm happy to have you. So, like I said, hope you guys are doing good. Before we start, feel free to let me know what you've been up to lately, basically how this week has been for you so far. Just a few words about yourself. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say. Personally, I've been all right, just sticking to the schedule. Can't complain. Pretty okay week so far in terms of trading, though. I would say that this week has been pretty slow. Knowing that yesterday we didn't trade at all because of the CPI, and Monday and Tuesday were two pretty slow days, in my opinion. But today, I do expect the volatility to pick up, and maybe today and tomorrow we'll have some decent trading days. But apart from that, everything has been fine. I'm looking to sell my car, and I'm looking to buy a new one. I'm pretty excited about that as well. I'm curious to see what you guys will think of it, of the new car, if I manage to buy it, because I'm basically bidding on that car on a auction website for cars. So if I win the auction, then the seller either accepts my offer or rejects it. So yeah, firstly I have to win the auction, and after that I have to see if the seller is going to accept it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that as well. And yeah, like I said, let me know about you guys. Let me know about you. Let me know a few words about yourself. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say. And afterwards, we'll get right into it. As always, we're going to do the watch list analysis. Afterwards, I think I'm gonna do a crypto market update as well, and then we will do a Q&A. And why not check the Forex Factor website? So today we do have some news. Okay, we have the unemployment claims, and tomorrow we have no news. Okay, tomorrow we have no news, so that's good. That's good to know. So yeah, like I said, feel free to let me know about yourself as well in the live chat. I'll make sure to check it out. And I think I'm gonna start the watch list analysis. And as I always mentioned throughout the session, if there's any questions, any unclarities, just feel free to drop them in the live chat. Every 1 or 2 minutes, I will check the live chat out and see if you guys wrote something. Okay, so do not hesitate. Feel free to drop anything in the live chat. Now let's get into the watch list analysis. As always, I'm gonna firstly go over the blue pairs, which are the current active setups. And afterwards, I'm gonna go over the green pairs as well, which are the potential upcoming setups. Okay. Adrian said, extremely busy weekend. Haven't been feeling too well, but will always try to attend the stream. I see, brother. I see. I'm sorry to hear that you haven't been feeling well. Try to have a speedy recovery and make sure to have a good sleep, because having a good sleep always helps. Having a good sleep and stay hydrated. Because yes, you can take meds and they can help you, but having a really good sleep when you're not feeling well and also staying hydrated will help you tremendously. So I wish you a speedy recovery, and I'm really happy to hear that you still find time to attend the stream, because it can definitely be very helpful. And since you always try to find time for it, I assume that you already are aware of the value of the streams. So yeah, I'm really happy to have you, brother. And once again, I wish you a speedy recovery. So yeah, let's start off with the bloopers. I'm gonna start off with Euro JPY. That is looking bearish. Okay, we can all agree that Euro JPY is looking bearish. We can see price is trending downwards. And right here, we have a continuation of that downtrend with this aggressive break towards the downside. We have this unmitigated supply level that is lining up with the area of interest, which is exactly what I want. And lastly, I also saw that the pullback was very nice and corrective. Okay, this right here is a corrective pullback, which is our final confirmation. Our final confirmation is to wait for a corrective pullback, because if we don't get a corrective pullback, I will disconsider the setup. And now we just need to wait and see if this setup will trigger. All right, Euro NZD is looking bullish. So right here, the first thing that I saw was a aggressive move towards the upside caused by this bullish leg right here. I also saw that liquidity was swept beforehand right here with this fake out towards the downside. And after the impulsive move towards the upside, I was able to identify this unmitigated demand level that is lining up perfectly with the area of interest. Lastly, I also was able to get a corrective pullback, which is the final confirmation. Okay, this right here looks very, very corrective, which is exactly what we want, because it means that the bullish pressure still dominates the bearish pressure. All right, so now, same as on Euro JPY, we just need to wait for the setup to trigger and of course see if it will trigger. Now I'm gonna go over the green pairs, which are the potential upcoming setups. So on USD CHF right here, we have a potential buy limit setup. Right here, we have this textbook break towards the upside. I then was able to identify this unmitigated demand level that, as we can see, is lining up perfectly with the area of interest. And now we need to wait for our final confirmation, which is a corrective pullback. If we get a corrective pullback like this towards our area of interest, we will definitely take this buy limit. Okay, and this would be the ideal scenario. Next up, we have AUD USD. AUD USD is looking bearish. Okay, we can see for the past couple weeks, this pair has been trending towards the downside, breaking structure and heading lower and lower. And right here, we have a continuation of that. We have an aggressive move towards the downside that left imbalance behind. We have this unmitigated supply level lining up with the area of interest. And now we need to wait for a corrective pullback towards our area of interest. Okay, that's what we need to wait for. One sec, let me quickly drink some water. All right, so now we can continue. So yeah, like I said, here, so far we do have a corrective pullback, and I would like to see a continuation of that towards our area of interest. If we see a continuation, then we will definitely take this setup. Euro USD is also looking pretty bearish. Okay, we can see we have this move towards the downside that broke structure and left imbalance behind. I was able to identify this fair value gap that is lining up perfectly with the point of interest, and now we need to wait for our final confirmation, which is a corrective pullback towards our area of interest, same as on AUD USD. CHF JPY is looking bearish as well. Once again, this pair has been trending downwards for the past couple weeks, and right here we have a continuation of that with this break of structure to the downside. I was also able to identify this unmitigated supply level that is lining up with the area of interest, and so far the pullback looks pretty corrective. So if we get a continuation of this towards our area of interest, that would be great. I will definitely take this setup. Okay, this is what we need to wait for now. And lastly, we have EuroCAD that is looking bearish. Okay, right here we have this bearish leg that was a pretty aggressive one in my opinion, because it left imbalance behind. I was able to identify this unmitigated supply level lining up with the area of interest. And now what we need to wait for is a corrective pullback towards our area of interest. Basically, we need to wait for our final confirmation. And yeah, this pretty much concludes our watch list analysis, because I won't go over the orange pairs. The orange pairs are basically the pairs that don't present anything yet. Okay, so there's no point for us to waste any time in going over the orange pairs. And on that note, let me know if everything was clear when it comes to the watch list analysis, or if you guys have any questions on it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna hop on the Bitcoin chart and see what we have here, okay, for the crypto market update. But like I said, let me know if there was any if there's any unclarities or any questions on the watch list analysis that we just finished. All right, and yeah, in the meantime, let's see what we have here on the Bitcoin chart. Okay, all right. First of all, I'm gonna just wait 20 more seconds to see if you guys have any questions on the watch list analysis, and if not, I'm gonna continue with the crypto market update. All right, so I see that there's no questions on the watch list analysis, and that means that everything was clear. And now I can do the crypto market update on the Bitcoin chart. But before I get into it, just know that I'm doing these crypto market updates for fun. I'm not actively trading crypto at all. I'm just investing in it long term. And I think it's pretty cool to do once a week a crypto market update, because I know that some of you guys are interested in this as well. And the reason I do it on the Bitcoin chart is because we all know that if Bitcoin moves aggressively to the upside, all the other coins will follow as well. And it's the same if the Bitcoin price will decide to head lower. All right. So let's see, where are we currently at? It looks like we found some rejection on the 52K area. So right here, we would have a minor level of support. Now, I don't know. It looks like price could head towards this area here, towards the 62K area. This is how it looks like. If things continue, of course, to be bullish. However, we could also see a retest of the 52K level. Okay, and from here, maybe price will bounce, or maybe it will break and head towards 50K. That can also be a option. These are my two predictions right now. I think price will either head towards 62K and retest it, and maybe break above and head towards 70K if things look extremely bullish, or price will head towards 52K again and maybe retest it and see if it holds. These are my predictions. I don't really think we are going to see a consolidation. I think we're gonna see some movement. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you agree or if you think otherwise. And in the meantime, I'm gonna update on the groups that we are starting the Q&A. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick right now. And yeah, in the meantime, feel free to let me know if everything was clear so far. And you can also drop me anything you want down below, any type of questions. They can be trading related, they can be off topic. Feel free to ask me anything you want down below, and I'm gonna make sure to check it out, because like I said, we're going to start the Q&A now. So let me update the groups. We are starting the Q&A now. Join us. Okay. All right, so just updated that we are starting the Q&A. Like I said, feel free to ask me anything you want for the Q&A. It can be trading related, it can be off topic as well. Feel free to ask me anything you want. Mr. Jones said, "Thank you for the analysis. Everything looks great." You're welcome, brother. And I'm really happy to hear that everything was clear. Good luck with the auction. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for your wishes. Hopefully, I win it. I don't really want to reveal what car I want to buy next in case I don't win the auction and maybe afterwards I'll have to buy something else. I have different options in mind. Maybe I will do a poll on Instagram or so on the groups to have you guys basically help me with the decision. But I'm between two cars basically. Of course, if I'm gonna win one of them today, that's gonna be the car. So yeah, maybe I'll do a poll in the group or on Instagram as well. That would be pretty cool, and see what you guys think about it. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Not gonna lie, to see if I'm gonna be able to win this auction. And yeah, back to the Q&A. Feel free to ask me anything you guys want. I'm gonna wait 1 or 2 minutes to see if there's any questions, and I'm gonna make sure to give you a clear answer. Okay, so like I said, feel free to ask me anything you want. It can be trading related, it can be about psychology, it can be off topic, whatever you guys want. Hi Dan, are you able to go through indices high time frame bias today? Thanks. Yeah, sure. Let me hop on the NAS 100 chart. Currently, I see no setups on NAS 100, but if I was to look for a higher time frame bias, so on the weekly, things look definitely very bullish. Sorry. If we go on the daily, okay. On the daily, we had some short-term bearish structure, but now price looks like it wants to head higher. So if I was to give a higher time frame bias, I would say bullish, because I really think that price will go towards this 1960 630 level, and for here it would either head above it, retest and head higher, or we could see some rejection from it. But in the meantime, I think price will head towards it. Okay, that's my higher time frame bias. If I go on the 4-hour, yeah, price looks definitely bullish, and I don't see any reason why it wouldn't head up here. Now, of course, you can look for a lower time frame entry around here, because price looks kind of overextended on the 4-hour, so it could retrace a bit before heading higher. But yeah, if I was to give you a higher time frame bias, I would say that it's a bullish one. And that's what I think. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. I have a setup for trades but fails to execute. Any solution? Well, it means that you were afraid to take it. And then you have to ask yourself, why were you afraid to take it? And maybe the answer is because you wanted to risk too much. And if you have the answer, then you have the solution as well, right? So I would ask yourself, I would suggest you to ask yourself basically questions. Okay, why did I hesitate? And then based on the answers, you will be able to find the solution as well. This would be my best advice for you. Thanks a lot. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. All right, so yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions, and if not, we'll just end the session right here. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute and see if you guys have any other questions. Thanks. I risk too much per trade. That's why I fail sometimes to place a trade. Well, there you go. There you go. That's your answer right there. That's your answer, right? You had to ask yourself, okay, why did I hesitate? Okay, I hesitated because I wanted to risk too much. Knowing that, now you won't do that mistake anymore, right? So go ahead and trade with a lower risk. Explain about liquidity. So I actually have a very specific video about that on my YouTube channel. All you gotta do is click on my YouTube channel and look for the video where I talk about liquidity. It is a in-depth video and I offer a much better explanation over there, and I also go over some examples. So you'll get a much better explanation if you watch that video fully. That's what I would suggest. Okay, thank you, bro. You're welcome. And enjoy it. I hope you'll enjoy the video. I really think it's a very helpful one. And yeah, on that note, I think we can end this beautiful session right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. And till the next one, as always, feel free to reach out to me privately if there will be any questions, any clarities. And if you're in the free group, I would highly recommend you to think about joining us in the VIP to be able to unlock all the benefits. Basically, receive more setups, therefore, aim for bigger profits, and also to be able to attend all the coaching sessions. Okay, if you decide to take the step, then I'm looking forward to see you on the other side. Adrian said, thank you very much for the analysis. Hope you win the bid. Thank you. Thank you, brother. I'll definitely let you guys know. I think I'm actually do a poll in the group to see what you guys think I should get as my next car. But yeah, thanks a lot. I really appreciate you. And you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm really happy that you guys enjoyed the analysis and the session overall. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. And in the meantime, like I said, feel free to reach out to me privately. I'm gonna do my best to reply as fast as possible. And yeah, see you guys soon. Wishing you all the best, a wonderful rest of your week, and take care.